Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center, and we just got in our batch of Knife Center exclusive Spyderco Ladybug with Pakkawood handles and HAP 40 blade. Let's check it out. So you've already seen our exclusive variants of the Spyderco Endura, Delica, and Dragonfly with our special handle scales, and the Ladybug now joins the lineup and it looks fantastic. The first thing you'll see that sets our exclusive variations apart from the standard models are those Pakkawood handle scales. Now this is a stabilized wood material, which means it's going to resist moisture very well and it shouldn't crack or split like ordinary unstabilized wood will. But because it's made with natural materials, each one's a little bit different, so you're going to get some nice variation between one to the next. Creates a real cool effect, and you know that the one you have, there's not going to be another one out there that's quite like it. We weren't content to just make this a good looking piece, we wanted it to perform as well, which was why we spec'd a blade with laminated construction, with stainless 410 layers on the outside, and excellent HAP 40 tool steel in the middle. Thanks to the powdered metallurgy nature of that core steel, we got the performance we were looking for. And because it's a tool steel, it isn't stainless, it is going to patina a little bit as well, which is going to look great, and it really fits the character that goes along with these Pakkawood scales. And that's going to give it a timeless look that's a little bit different than the G10 or FRN handled versions. Now there's no pocket clip on this knife. This is a keychain specific item, but if you don't want to carry it in your keychain, it's small enough it fits really well in that little watch pocket in your blue jeans that doesn't really see any other purpose. But despite that small size, it actually feels really good to hold on to. You can see by the finger grooves here that it kind of gives you a 2.5 finger grip, but it feels very secure. And you're able to really put some pressure on this blade too, and that's thanks to the thumb ramp that's right here behind the one hand opening hole. And that's not the only thing that inspires confidence on this little knife. As you can see from the back, we have a full metal backspacer construction with a nice strong mid-mounted lock back. And it's even got that nice David Boyd dent on the lock bar itself. Not only will that help you locate it easier when you're going to disengage it with your thumb, but it also helps prevent accidental disengagement. So if you're really gripping on this, you've got no worries about that lock coming loose. The Ladybug has always been one of our favorite small keychain EDC knives, and now it's even better thanks to this version. Not only would it be great to add to your keychain, but it also makes a great gift. And with Father's Day coming up, we think you should check this out because we've got them right now. They're in stock and ready to ship. If you like the looks of this knife but want something a little bit bigger, you can also check the rest of our Knife Center exclusive Spyderco Pakkawood family. It includes excellent EDC designs like the Dragonfly, the Delica, as well as the ever-popular Endura models. All of them sport the same great construction and the same fantastic vibe. To get your hands on any of them, click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com.